Hello you all, it's Maaike and we are going to celebrate the new release Wildcraft Diva Designs of June, and I'm starting with a tutorial and we are going to make this super gorgeous and fun 3-piece suit tag. Look, isn't it beautiful? I love it so much. I've used the fuse tool to make this one, so this one is a shaker. Since this one, yeah, you have to use your fuse tool, and I thought, okay, on my Instagram I've got a tutorial how to make it with the fuse tool. So if you want to see that, please go to my Instagram. And over here on YouTube we are going to make it with paper, and it's beautiful. Take a look at it. This is the gorgeous jacket. It's having this bow, these enamel dots. I've added them. I think it's so much fun. The little flower. Look at the details. It's so much fun. Inside, this pink one is the vest, I think you call it. And this one is the blues, the blouse. And oh, it's so much fun. You can take it apart. Look, it's genius. Then we've got those little 3 pieces. So yeah, this is going to be great. And since this is see-through, you can see it's not one piece. But when it's in paper, you won't see this because this is plastic. And we are going to make the plastic part in the green part. Here we go. Look, I'm going to show you what you're going to need to die cut. It's not that easy. We've got this part, and this will become this part. This is the jacket. Then we've got this one. This will be the blouse. Look, it's this one. Then we've got the vest. 2 parts. It will be those two. Look, beautiful. Then we've got this little cute super fun bow. That will be those two. And we've got those for the details. I already cut them out. And I have die cutted those two. And these are for over here. But you will see it. Let's go. That's way easier. At first we're going to fold this one. And this is going to be a pocket. It's a suit tag. I'm sure other ones are going to make it differently, but I decided to make it like this. And we are going to fold this over. Then you've got this little piece. You can see it has a die cut stripe. And look, you already can see it's going to be a super fun, cute jacket. And if you're wondering what paper I've used, it's Pink Fresh Studio. I don't recall the name of the paper collection. I will link it down. Look, already this is so much fun. And then you can make it together. You've got those little flaps. And well, I don't use them, so I can fold them over and then they're gone. I'm going to add those strips over here because the vests are made of the same paper. So otherwise it would be like this with the vest, which is fine of course, but I want to stand it out, so I'm going to add those. Or am I not? Maybe I'm not. Okay, we'll see. But I'll have to fold the blouse. And it has a little extra wedge to fold. So I'm going to fold this part. And the other part. And this little one is supposed to fold open like this. So there's an extra detail. This is double-sided paper. So I don't have to add another strip, but if you want to add a strip, of course you can do it. Then we have to add the details. I hope my glue is working. One moment. Sometimes when I'm crafting, I forget to close the glue. I'm sure it all happens to you. Then you're going to take this part and you're going to place it here. And I just love this suit tag so much. It's so much fun. Then I'm going to place this one here. Like this. Then the other part. And you can make it like an invitation tag, or just for a party, or if you have a wedding, or just whatever you want to create. I think it's going to be such a fun die. So you can see it's over here. So it's tight. I'm going to remove this tape. And you can choose to let, you can all glue it together, or you are just going to leave it like this, because this is the only part I'm gluing. Then we're going to place it here. Oh, look, this is going to be so much fun. Then we've got those vest pieces. Now I see they are standing a little bit too high, but it shouldn't. So I'm going to place the vest first, then I'm going to place the blouse. Is the blouse a correct word? Seems a little bit old. Okay, why is it so difficult? It shouldn't be difficult, it's just placing everything in this pocket. Now, why is this so difficult? It really is not. Well, you can see it fits perfectly. Don't know what was happening, but look, this is so much fun. All I have to add is this little bow, and then we're done. Look, isn't it adorable? I love it. This is so much fun. And this is what I was meaning. Now it's closed, because over here you can see this part, but here you don't see it. So yeah, it's perfect. Look, aren't they super cute? Love it. The 3-piece suit tag available June 1. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Bye bye.